All right, good afternoon and welcome to Maths Atoka online class. In today's video, we'll be solving Math 111 workbook, okay, for natural science and medicals. So the first question here said 6 plus 16 minus 4 all over 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 then minus 2. Okay, this is a very simple question. So I have, in fact, I can just do 16 minus 2 to give you 4. Sorry, 6 minus 2 to give you 4. So I can have 4 plus 16 minus this to give you 12 all over. This raised power this is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, so what do we have now? 4 uh 4 plus 2, and 4 plus 2 is what? Is 6. Okay, the first question here is very simple. So we'll go to question number 2. Question number 2 said 14 plus 10 all over 2 plus 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, then minus into 5 minus 3, then plus 2. This is a very simple question. This and this will give you 24 over 6, then minus these 2 will give you 2, minus 2 plus 2, and minus 2 plus 2 is gone. So 16 divided by 24 divided by 6 will give you 4. Okay, so I have 4 as the final answer there. So 24 divided by 6, I have 4. Okay, so question number 3, we move to question number 3. Question number 3 said minus into 6 plus 3, then plus 7 plus 22 all over 30 over 2, then minus into 2 minus 5. Okay, so if you look at here, this plus this is giving me 9. 9 times this will give you minus 9, plus the 2 here will give you 29. Yes, 29, 27, 28, 29. So 29 over 15, because these two will give you 15. Then inside there will give you minus 3. Minus 3 minus will give you what? Plus 3. So these two will give you minus 6. So I have 29 over 15, then minus 6 over 1. Right? So you do the LCM, 15. Now I have 29 minus 6 times 15. 15 times 6. I have 90. Okay, so if you now subtract 29 there, you're going to have 61 over 15. So minus 61 over 15 is the correct answer for that. Okay, so we'll move to the next question, which is question number 4. Question number 4 said 16x minus 12x divided by 3. Okay, so what do we do? First of all, 16x minus 12x will give you 16 minus 12 will give you 4. Okay, so I have 4x over 3. So my answer is 4 over 3x, because then divide means over. So 4 over 3x is the correct answer there. So the option is not the option is not correct. So go to question number 5. So sorry, that's a very wrong calculation. The first thing you have to do is division according to board mass. So this is 16x, this divided by this to give you 4. Okay, so minus 4x, so both of them will give you 12x. So 12x is the correct answer. Please, you have to apply board mass, if not you will fail it. Division comes before subtraction. So the next thing we have is what they say, 9 times 3a minus into 4a plus 2a, then times 3. Okay, so first of all, we can do this. 3 times 9 is 18. So I have 18a. Inside there is 6. 6 times this to give you minus 6 times 3. So we have what? 18a minus 18, which will give you 18 into a minus 1. So the answer is that. All right. So okay, there is a here. Sorry, there is a here. So if there is a here, then the answer is 0. If there is a here, then the answer is 0. What am I doing? 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 3 is 27. So here is 27a, I don't know what's wrong with me today. Minus inside there will give you 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So 18a, which will give you minus 18, which will give you 9a. So 9a is the correct answer there. So we move to question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6 said, what is the 17th term of the AP? What is the 17th term of the AP? 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, dot, dot, dot. Okay, solution. Very simple. The first thing they gave me is A. A is my 3. And my common difference is what? 7 minus 3, which is what? Which is 4. So T17 is simply A plus 16D. All right. So if you have not watched my video on arithmetic progression, please do that. Okay. So I now have that this is 3 plus 16 into 4. All right. So which is what? 3 plus 16 times 4. 16 times 4. I have 64. So the both of them will give you 67. So 67 is the result there. So we'll move to the next question, question number 7. So we'll move to question number 7. And question number 7 said they should solve minus 5, the absolute value of 7 minus 3x, okay, then plus 10 is equal to minus 15. Okay, so if you look at this, you're going to have that minus 5, the absolute value of 7 minus 3x is equal to minus 15 minus 10. So minus 5, the absolute value of 7 minus 3x is equal to minus 25. So divide everybody by minus 5. This one coming here. So the absolute value of 7 minus 3x is equal to what? Minus 25 divided by minus 5. So therefore, the absolute value of 7 minus 3x is equal to what? 5. To remove absolute value, we will say that what? That minus 5 is equal to 7 minus 3x, or 7 minus 3x is equal to what? 5. So that is how to remove absolute value. So if this 7, okay, I now have that what? 3x coming here, I will have 3x is equal to 7 is already here. This one going here, I have plus 5, which will give you that 3x is equal to what? 12. So x will now be what? 12 divided by 3, which is what? 4. So let's do the same thing here. If we do the same thing here, we have that 7 minus 5 is equal to what? 3x. And 7 minus 5 will give you 2. So 2 is equal to 3x. So my x is equal to what? 3 over 2. So the answer is what? 3 over 2 or 4. 3 over 2 or 2 over 3, sorry. What am I saying? 2 over 3 or 4. So my x is equal to 2 over 3 or 4. So we'll move to the next question. That is question number 8. Question number 8 said the absolute value of minus 6x plus 3, okay, then minus 7 is equal to 20. So we should solve this. So this is what? The absolute value of minus 6x plus 3, okay, is equal to 20 plus 7. So which is the absolute value of minus 6x plus 3 is equal to what? 27. So to remove absolute value, we have that minus 27 is equal to minus 6x plus 3, or minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 27. So if you collect like terms, you are going to have that 6x is equal to what? 3 plus 27. So 6x is equal to what? 30. So x will now be what? 30 divided by 6, which is what? 5. So let's do the same thing here. Or we have that minus 6x is equal to what? 27 minus 3. So minus 6x is equal to 24. Okay, so x will now be what? 24 divided by minus 6, which will give you minus 4. 24 divided by 6 will give you 4. 24 divided by 6 give you 4. Okay, so minus 4. So x is equal to what? Minus 4 or 5. Okay, so x is equal to minus 4 or 5. So we move to the next question. Question number 9. I'll be solving it 10 questions. So question number 9. Question number 9 said that 2 into 3x minus 1 is less than or equal to 13x plus 11. Okay, so they say we should answer it and then we should draw the graph. Okay, this is very, very simple. So what do? You can decide to open the bracket. This time this will give you 6x minus 2 is less than or equal to 13x plus what? 11. So let's collect like terms. This one can move here. So I have that minus 2 minus 11 is less than or equal to what? 13x minus 6x. So this will give you minus 13, okay? Minus 13 is less than or equal to, what do I have? 13 minus 6 will give you 7. So which is giving me 7x. Now I want to write the 7x first. 7x, the arrow is pointing the minus 13. So the arrow should be pointing that minus 13. All right. So we have that x will now be less than or equal to minus 13 divided by 7. So if you want to draw it, you can say that that here is your 0 and here is your what? Minus 13 over 7. So because you have less than or equal to, you shave, and the arrow is pointing this way, so you will go the same way the arrow is pointing. So that is how to draw the graph, and it's very simple. So we'll move to question number 10. So question number 10 said 3 over 5 into x plus 1 over 4, okay, is greater than minus 1 over 5 into 9 minus x. Okay, so if you look at this now, this is if I want to open bracket, this time this will give you 3x um 3x plus, let me say, 3 over 4, everybody over 5, okay, is greater than minus 9 plus x, everybody over 5. Okay, 5 can take care of 5. Yes, they can take care of each other, but if you like, you can still cross multiply. You will still get the same thing. So if we multiply everybody by 5, they will take care of each other. Okay, so now we are left with what? 3x plus 3 over 4 is greater than minus 9 plus what? X. So now let's multiply everybody by 4 so that this denominator can go. 4 times this, you have what? 12x plus 4 times this is meaning 3 is greater than 4 times this will give you 36, right? 9 times 4, 36. So we have minus 36 then plus 4x. So collect like terms to have that what? 12x minus 4x is greater than minus 36 minus 3. So this two will give me 8x is greater than minus 39. So my x is now greater than what? Minus 39 over 8. So if I want to draw it, I'll say that here is my 0, here is my minus 39 over 8. I will now draw a circle that is not shaded. The arrow is pointing, this arrow is pointing this way, so I am moving this way. So that is that for that. So thank you very much for watching. In our next video, we'll continue from question number 11. Bye bye.